Hi, today I'm going to do some DIY seed starting pots. I'm getting ready to sow some seeds, and this is a great way to make whatever size pot I want for my little seedlings. And it's super simple. Look like this, and all you really need is a glass or something straight-sided and some newspaper. So you need to have a straight-sided glass or a pill bottle, spice jar, anything that's fairly small. You can make them any size you want, but I find the smaller sizes work a little bit better. It needs to be straight-sided, because what you're going to do is you're going to cut a strip of paper, and that can be about 3.5 inches. You can make that wider or narrower depending on how tall you want your pots. And you simply leave a little bit of an overhang on the bottom and start rolling that newspaper right up around the pot. Okay? So then you want to pleat the bottom. And it's okay if there's a little space there. That's just a good drainage hole. And then sometimes you've got to fold that down a little bit and press on the table. Then you can just slide that up and out. Sometimes it's easier than others. There we go. And it may be a little wonky to stand up, but once you fill it with soil and get it a little bit moist, it'll stand up just fine. Now, I like to use this little seed starting tool, or a pot making tool, shall we say. And the process is similar. You basically just roll it up on the little handle. And depending on the length of your newspaper, that'll put more layers of newspaper around your pot. So you don't have to go around that many times, but about 12 inches is about a good size for a couple of layers around. And then you're going to fold that in. And then you take it and you kind of smush it on the little base, and that gets it a nicer base there. Twist it out, and your pot is ready to go. And another way to get some recycled pots for free is to use either bathroom tissue rolls that are empty, paper towel rolls, wrapping paper rolls, all work really great. It's a nice cardboard. And what you want to do is I've drawn a line about 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom of the roll, and you can make this pot as big as you want, so you might want to cut it down an inch or so, and you'll get a pot. But you've got that line, and you're going to cut about 5 or 6 little cuts right to that pencil marking, all the way around. And then just take them and fold your little tabs in right at that line. And then you've created the bottom of your pot. And then stand it up. Again, much like the paper ones, they don't always stand up straight, but so make sure you get that line fairly even. You know, don't just eyeball it. And then once you fill it with water or soil and get a little damp with water, it'll stand right up just fine. So when your seedlings are ready to go outside, just plant them pot and all. They will biodegrade. Hope you found some good tips, and you can make your own seed starting pots.